I'm often asked by my sellers, should they get a what we call a pre-listing inspection before putting their home on the market? There are very good reasons to do a pre-listing inspection before putting your home on the market, some of which include the fact that it gives you, the seller, the opportunity to know what is going on with your property. I know that you say, yes, I already do know because I'm very in tune, but there can be some hidden issues that you're not aware of that you can be made aware of prior to going on the market. A good reason also to go ahead and get a pre-listing inspection is if you're actually going to be selling your property as is, sometimes it will be helpful to have this inspection already done and make it available to prospective buyers. It'll make them feel more at ease at what they're purchasing in terms of what they will have to take care of when they actually purchase the property itself. In addition to actually when you do a pre-listing inspection, it also gives you, the seller, the opportunity ahead of time to start to repair things that need to be repaired or update things that should be updated. Finally, when doing a pre-listing inspection, it also helps take out the surprise for when the buyer actually then does their own home inspection and you already know basically what's going on in your property and you're already prepared for that. I hope these tips help, and if you like these tips and they've been helpful to you, please share this with others, and talk to you soon.